Welcome back to another episode of the Giving Bartender Home Edition. My name is Christos. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite cocktails, a new classic, the Espresso Martini. Let's go. The Espresso Martini was invented by the one and only Dick Bradsell in the middle of the 1980s, when according to him, a young model who's famous now came to his bar and said, "I want you to make me a drink that is gonna wake me up and then f me up." And he did. We don't really know who that model was, since he never said. There's a few assumptions. Some say Heidi Klum, some say Kate Moss. That is irrelevant. There's a point to be made here and a lesson to be learned. Don't kiss and tell. Today we will make the drink like we do it in Le Trois Hotel Bar where I work, which is the classic recipe adapted with high quality local products. We will make a future video for twists and for other versions. So let's make the Espresso Martini. First of all, we need a high quality coffee liqueur. Today we're gonna use the 7 Cents, which is made with cold brew coffee and 100% natural aromas from vanilla and caramel. We're gonna need 30 ml of this. For vodka, you can use whatever you have at home. We use Pax vodka, which is also made in Basel. We're gonna use 50 ml of this. Now for the sugar, the recipe calls for 10 ml of simple sugar syrup. This is an option, depending on how dry or sweet you want your cocktail to be. You can use it. Because we are gonna use a strong coffee, I'm gonna take the option of 10 ml. And last but not least, we have the espresso, which is espresso, not espresso. It is coffee made with pressure, not quick. So I'm gonna use this jigger with a handle so I don't burn my fingers. 1 ounce of freshly made espresso coffee will do. And then we're gonna ice our tin. You want to use big ice cubes because you want this nice aeration for the cocktail without giving more water than you need. Don't forget that coffee is already a water-based beverage. And we're gonna give it a nice shake for 12 seconds. Grab a cocktail glass from the freezer and double strain, so to avoid having more ice chips in your drink that will dilute further. Perfect. And we're gonna garnish with 3 coffee beans. So there you have it, the Espresso Martini. A nice frothy top, beautiful color. The coffee is front and center. You have dark chocolate notes. The vanilla and the caramel really shine from the coffee liqueur. It's amazing. It's a perfect drink. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.
The time. And when it comes to loving, he's a real
Let the drink. You want the drink. Who wants the drink? Who wants the drink?